Get ready for a carbonation celebration. In this video, we'll show you just how quick and simple it is to keep the fizz flowing in your Ninja Thirsti. First, remove the tamper seal and black cap. Make sure to hold on to the cap for future CO2 exchanges. Open the CO2 door on the side of the unit. Inside, there's a paper tag that'll have detailed instructions for you. Give it a tug to remove it. Pull out the CO2 collar and insert your open CO2 canister. Twist it to the right until it's very tightly in place. Then, give it another twist just to make sure it's secure. Push the collar and canister back in and close the door. That's it! When the bubbles are running low, you'll see the bubble button turn orange. That means you're at 25% CO2, which is enough for 10 to 25 12-ounce drinks. When it's time to refill, open the door again, pull out the collar and the CO2, and twist to the left until the canister releases. Install a refill canister following the same steps as before. Now hold the bubble button down for 3 seconds to give it a quick reset. When the lights turn white and you hear a beep, the unit is ready to go. Join Ninja's Refill Club to save money, get free shipping, and never run out of CO2. It's the easiest way to keep that sparkle alive.